Welcome to Car Show 1, your go-to place for timeless automotive legends. Today, we explore a car that represents the perfect harmony of luxury, engineering, and iconic European design, the 1971 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL. Known affectionately as the Pagoda, for its uniquely shaped removable hardtop, the 280 SL marked the final and most refined model of the W113 Roadster line, and it remains one of the most collectible Mercedes-Benz classics of all time. Let's set the stage. The 280 SL arrived in 1967 as the successor to the 230 SL and 250 SL, continuing Mercedes' tradition of building sporty yet civilized two-seat roadsters. The W113 platform wasn't designed to be a race car, it was a grand touring machine, combining performance with comfort and safety in a way that few others could match. By 1971, the final model year of this series, the 280 SL had perfected the formula. This wasn't just a luxury convertible, it was a statement of class, taste, and engineering precision. Visually, the 280 SL is a masterpiece. The proportions are clean, tight, and elegant. You get a long hood, short rear deck, and a cabin that sits between the axles, classic roadster styling. The Pagoda roofline, gently concave and slightly raised in the center, was more than just a style statement. It added structural strength while offering better visibility and headroom, making the car both practical and distinctive. The body featured subtle chrome accents, perfectly balanced curves, and a stance that hinted at refinement more than aggression. This was a car for the European Riviera or Beverly Hills, not the drag strip. Under the hood, the 1971-280 SL was powered by a 2.8-liter inline-six engine, producing 170 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. It wasn't blisteringly fast, but it offered smooth, refined performance that suited the car's grand touring nature. The fuel-injected engine was advanced for its time and paired with either a 4-speed manual, 4-speed automatic, or rare 5-speed ZF manual transmission, giving buyers flexibility based on their driving style. From 0 to 60 miles per hour, it clocked in around 9 seconds, respectable for a luxury roadster in the early 70s. But performance wasn't the main goal. Balance, reliability, and composure were where the 280 SL excelled. The handling was predictable and comfortable, thanks to independent suspension all around and disc brakes that gave it a modern feel compared to many contemporaries. Inside, the cabin was classic Mercedes-Benz, precise, elegant, and built to last. You'd find real wood trim, leather seats, and switchgear that clicked with a sense of quality that modern cars still chase. The dashboard was clean and symmetrical, with easy-to-read dials and a signature Mercedes steering wheel. It offered all the essential luxury you needed, without distracting from the driving experience. Safety was also a major focus. Mercedes-Benz integrated crumple zones, a rigid passenger cell, and even padded dashboard sections, years ahead of the industry standard. The Pagoda cars were among the first convertibles that didn't compromise safety for style. What makes the 1971-280 SL extra special is that it was the last production year of the W113 series, and only 830 units were produced that year, making it one of the most sought-after models today. It was also the most refined, with the larger engine, improved cooling system, and updated transmission choices. Collectors today prize the 280 SL for its timeless looks, bulletproof reliability, and the fact that it can still be driven daily. Unlike many other classics from the 1960s, a well-maintained 280 SL feels remarkably modern, smooth on the road, easy to steer, and well put together. So who is the 1971 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL for? It's for the connoisseur who appreciates timeless design over flashy trends. It's for the driver who values quality over raw horsepower. And it's for anyone who wants a piece of European history that looks just as good parked at a cafe in 2025 as it did in 1971. Thanks for watching Car Show 1. If you love elegant classics like the 280 SL, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you drive one stock or go full resto mod? More legends coming your way, only here.